Welcome to our micro-learning channel. Mobile life demands uninterrupted connectivity, yet built-in smartphone batteries hit physical limits when the grid is unavailable. This slide frames the problem and the solution. A portable power bank acting as a microgrid, composed of battery cells for storage, a printed circuit board as the brain, and USB ports as the interface, with the exploded illustration showing how these three pillars bridge the energy gap away from wall power. At the core is chemical energy storage using lithium-based cells, and the slide contrasts two dominant formats. Cylindrical Li-ion, 18650 cells offer high energy density and cost-effectiveness but are rigid, while LiPo pouches are lightweight and shape customizable at higher cost. The charging-discharging diagram shows lithium ions shuttling between anode and cathode to convert chemical potential into electrical energy. The printed circuit board functions as the power bank's central nervous system, resolving the fundamental voltage mismatch between internal cells and USB devices. The MCU coordinates a boost converter to raise the cell's 3.7V up to a stable 5V for devices, and a buck converter to safely step down wall power to 3.7V for charging, intelligently directing traffic to reduce heat and conversion loss. Optimized fast charging relies on an intelligent digital handshake, typically via USB power delivery or quick charge, and the slide breaks it into 4 phases: detection when the cable connects, negotiation to agree maximum safe wattage, execution using dynamic voltage scaling to deliver that power, and tapering into a low current trickle around 80% to protect battery longevity, as illustrated by the protocol icons. High-density energy transfer brings thermal and electrical risks, so the PCB is engineered with multi-layered protections shown in the concentric diagram. Overcharge and over-discharge safeguards prevent cell degradation. Short-circuit protection instantly cuts power on abnormal resistance. Temperature control uses NTC thermistors to monitor and throttle output, and input over-voltage protection defends against unstable chargers. Thanks for micro-learning with us. If you find this video helpful, please like, leave a comment, and share.